What are the main challenges in today's ever-changing digital era?
Banks need fast, secure digital storage systems that enable incredibly fast response to customer transactions. Our legacy system is no match for the transaction data surges of recent years. It's slow and experiences service interruptions, which is why we are actively searching for a high-performance and reliable solution.
Like most manufacturer of processors, we must shorten the simulation process, which will help launch new products faster than our competitors, helping grow our market share. Sadly, this is hindered by poor storage response. Our storage system was deployed years ago and has now become redundant.
The IT team is always complaining about inadequate performance and insufficient capacity. We treat 2 million outpatients every year and perform 40,000 surgeries, which naturally means huge amount of data, health records, and medical images that can be stored efficiently on mainstream devices. Our system must provide instant access to patient data, but our legacy systems are just not up to the task.
How do you plan to resolve these challenges?
We're still looking for a solution. Our legacy system is a SAN system, and we wanted to upgrade it, but even that wouldn't meet our needs, so we're considering replacing it with something new.
We're using SAN systems to store structured data, but we also need a NAS system for our simulation services. So we are looking for a NAS solution that can smoothly connect to our SAN systems. We've tested most mainstream NAS products, but haven't decided which one to buy yet.
We are planning to purchase a NAS system due to the huge amount of unstructured data produced every day. NAS is dedicated to store unstructured data, so it seems a natural choice.
What are the differences between SAN and NAS?
Well, both are storage system as storage services. SAN basically works on block storage and it is more of fiber channel driven, wherein on the other hand, NAS is predominantly IP based storage, and that allows you to have unstructured data shared across multiple users. They can simultaneously work on it, and it is predominantly network based, Ethernet based storage system.
One of the biggest differences between SAN and NAS is that the SAN provides the block services while the NAS provides the file services. File services are also easier to manage and easier to implement, while NAS requires more complexity and more hands-on management than the NAS services.
Why should we use NAS to store unstructured data?
وجدت أبحاث IDC بأن في 2025 بإذن الله راح تكون أغلب الشركات تعتمد اعتماد كلي على الناس، لأنه أغلب المعلومات في العالم راح تكون بنسبة 80% راح تكون عبارة عن unstructured data، فلذلك الشركات راح تتوجه توجه كلي إلى الناس.
Le NAS est particulièrement adapté pour gérer des données non structurées parce qu'il permet de facilement classifier ces données et de les partager avec de nombreux utilisateurs et les partager également avec de nombreuses applications. C'est pourquoi les NAS sont très souvent utilisés par les entreprises pour gérer ces données non structurées.
What factors do you consider when purchasing NAS storage?
Our bank needs low latency to allow smooth data reads and writes even during peak hours, and high reliability, in which a disaster recovery setup can fully protect our data even in the event of a disaster.
As a manufacturer on the cutting edge of innovation, we need NAS storage to provide high OPS and bandwidth for our simulation services. Then it must ensure the reliability and backup efficiency for mass small files in our design and production environments.
Any solution must prioritize performance, whether it processes data faster or has a lower latency. Because our hospital generates huge amounts of medical image data every day, new devices must have a higher performance and a lower latency than existing devices.
How can Huawei OceanStor Dorado NAS meet your requirements?
OceanStor Dorado NAS provides the low latency needed for our data integration platform, while the replication technologies provide strong disaster recovery capabilities. The tolerance for 3 out of 4 controller failures greatly improves device reliability.
In my opinion, Huawei Ocean Store Dorado NAS is the perfect choice for our networks. It provides high OPS and high read and write bandwidth. Its end-to-end full mesh architecture goes above and beyond our requirements, meaning we don't need to worry about service interruption. Plus, Huawei HyperVault implements efficient local backup and recovery of small files.
I'm impressed with the smart flashlight algorithm and innovative global shared distributed file system, which are leading technologies that deliver 13% higher OPS performance and a millisecond level latency and balance controller loads to boost our work efficiency with computers.
Why is Ocean Store Dorado NAS an ideal choice for industry customers?
Well, Ocean Store Dorado is the epitome of ever fast, ever solid, and ever intelligent storage system. To put it simply, it has everything that a customer needs to run its mission critical environment.
Alors, le NAS Dorado se caractérise principalement par 3 éléments majeurs qui sont les performances, la robustesse et la simplicité de gestion.
Can you share a success story about how this solution benefit our customers?
A top European customer, a hospital, chose Huawei Dorado NAS solution to optimize its medical and video services as long as the Dorado Sound solution for the database and virtualization. This gave a 50% decrease in operation and maintenance costs, as well as reduced the response time of critical services, thus giving the personnel more time to act on critical issues. So, choose Huawei Dorado NAS solution for your business success.
في الحقيقة أكثر المنتجات مبيعاً في السلطنة إذا رجعنا للستورجز بشكل عام هو الأوشن ستور دورادو ناس، لأنه عندنا بسبب الأوشن ستور دورادو ناس تمكنا من تحقيق كفاءة عالية، سرعة عالية، وبالإضافة إلى لما نجي نتكلم على ال AI والذكاء الاصطناعي طبعا أحد القصص الناجحة مع أحد العملاء تمكنا من تقليل نسبة الاستخدام من 90% إلى 30% بسبب ميزة الديدوبليكيشن and compression. صراحة حاجة عجيبة جدا.